Guys, I'm back at the nature center again. I love going here. Just going on another walk. I'm here with my two cousins, Elena and Gavin, and then my mom, my Aunt Misty, and my little sister.
Hey, you're not me. You're not me.
My two cousins.
Hi.
Those two.
Abby, you can make your YouTube video and we'll play the game.
Yeah. I made like a little fort at my house of leaves. And, like, it has like little walls, and I have seats, and it's kind of, me and my cousins just like playing little games. I don't know why, but we just do. But yeah. So we're just here walking. But it's a beautiful place. Hold on. Okay, there's one walking past. But yeah, there was people walking by. We like literally just started, and I'm gonna try to save some time until I get to the park. But yeah, I'm just here with my cousins. Freezing cold outside, but I don't care. It's nice. It's getting dark though. Sorry that I haven't been recording lately. There's not really been anything like exciting. We did pass the American American elm. We're like looking at all the tags on the trees, because there's like tags on the trees that say what it is. Gavin, is this a sycamore? Wait, what's this?
This is a wild black cherry.
Wild black cherry? Whoa. Young lady. But yeah, I'm just here with my cousins. So nice. Gavin, don't go down there.
Don't run. See, now back up. Lena, it's very muddy down there. Gavin.
So nice outside.
And just don't want you guys falling in the water. It'll be freezing cold.
Whoa, are these deer tracks?
I just heard someone say hello.
It's probably someone on the trails over there. Oh my god, one time it was me, my brother, my cousin, and my mom that were here, and we like almost got lost in the middle of the woods.
Can you put your hat on, please?
It's kind of weird that I'm filming because there's a lot of people here. There's actually a lot of people here right now.
Abby, get in there so I can get a picture of you.
Hold on.
Here,
Put your hair like that.
get on this side.
Get on your hair like that. This side. Ariana!
Yeah, come here, baby.
Come on this side, baby.
Hello. Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Oh my god, I didn't notice that I didn't pause it.
Where's your picture taken?
We're doing a picture real
Say
quick.
stinky
So.
cheese.
It's biggest to littlest.
All right, stand,
Okay.
stand this way a little bit so I can...
Okay. Yeah, we just took a picture.
Okay, come here. Thank you.
Oh my god. It's kind of creepy. There's water. We're on a bridge right now. Yep, we're crossing the bridge right now. It's really pretty water, but it's kind of creepy. One time we were walking through here at night, and I swear to God, I heard something like breaking like trees or something, and it was creepy. Oh my god, I've never been down this thing. Like, it's really slippery. We're literally like trees and everything. I feel like I'm gonna walk through a spider web one day and I almost tripped to fall on my face. Beautiful water. Down here now. We just crossed the bridge and there's like a little step thing. Come down here, Ariana. Be careful.
Alright, that's far enough. It's all muddy over there.
So pretty. Sorry that there's not good lighting. It's really dark outside. Oh god. I literally almost slipped. I fell backwards almost. Oh, my sister's having trouble. We just went down that. My mom's wearing my favorite colored jacket. it's not mine, but it's hers. But sorry that it's dark. But I'm thinking about doing challenge videos. Like I'm gonna do a ton. But last video I did nature center video. I think it was a nature center video. If it's not, I don't know what it is. But yeah, we're just walking through the nature center again. It's like really far past it. It's like next month, I think. I don't even remember where I did my last video. Elena. No, Gavin, your mom said to stop. This is beautiful water. I mean, like, this is gorgeous.
All right.
I'm kind of scared. It's so pretty. I'm going back down here because I don't like standing on cliffs. Like, it's creepy. I would never stand on a cliff. Like, I would literally scream.
I wish that we could rake this whole place.
I know.
To your house.
Oh my god, we would have so much leaves.
Yeah.
We would be able to. Oh my god, I can't wait till next Christmas. Well, listen. I'm going to make a video of me making an igloo, okay? I'm telling you. This Christmas, I will. So, yeah. It's going to be an exciting Christmas. I don't know if it's going to be exactly on Christmas. I really need a light. Okay, I'm actually going to grab a flashlight so I can shine it at my face. Hold on. I'm running. Okay. Mom, I need a flashlight. Hold on. Is that better? I'm literally shining a flashlight at my face. Oh god, that's gonna blind me. Oh god. That literally is going to blind me. Yeah, this is horrible lighting. Oh my god, I'm still gonna blind myself. Oh god. Be careful, Ariana. Oh my god, I'm gonna blind myself out of one eye. I think I just blinded myself. God.
Oh my god.
No, it's not.
I'm paralyzed.
Yeah, that's not helping. This flashlight is not helping at all.
I'm paralyzed, Gavin. No, you're not.
Ariana, come on! Ariana, no! No! Ariana, no! Okay, go down the steps. Go down the steps. Go on. My sister literally almost jumped off the side of a cliff. She was on like a thing and she was like stepping on the fence. My sister literally just fell. She fell and she started laughing. That's what she always does. This is not helping at all. I wish I could have a filmer that filmed me.
She said, yeah.
There. I mean, that kind of helps.
Gavin, stay on the trail. I said,
Okay, that
stay
does not
on the
help.
Trail.
There's a light.
Gavin, stop before you fall. You're being so daring. Just walk on the trail.
Oh my god, my cousin literally. Oh god. Okay, I'm gonna end up blinding myself. Oh god. That's too bright.
Mama, I need my flashlight. Mama, I need my flashlight.
That does not help. Oh my god. I'm gonna end up blinding myself.
Abby, call your bat friends. Call your bat friends and then turn.
Okay.
Abby, turn.
Well, I'm gonna make another video after this. So, see ya. Bye. I make another video of me at the park. So, see ya.